Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a refreshing and savory Greek salad. It's perfect for those hot summer days. And it's especially perfect for those of us who don't have AC. Must be nice. Must be nice in your ice castles.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's get to it. First up, we're going to start by chopping our tomatoes. Woo, heirlooms! Sounds like a Pokemon. Heirloom! I'm using heirloom tomatoes here, but you can use any tomato you want. I'm just super bougie today. Ooh, you're gonna be for later. Put your tomatoes in a bowl. Next up, onion. About that much. We've got so many layers, buddy. Super thin slices. Put those in a bowl as well. You can soak the onions in some cold water if you want to get rid of the bite, but I don't want to.
I want the bite.
Now get yourself an English cucumber. Must be nice. Whoop, little cucumber dice. Whoop, whoop. One for you, one for me. Cucumber's good. In the bowl you go. Oregano. Oregano, more like oregano, yes please. Slice up your oregano into the bowl. Whoop, a few green olives too. Oops, oh no, no. Nope, that's mine, you try to get away, I eat you. Traditionally you would use Kalamata olives. Traditionally you would use Kalamata olives, but I prefer green olives. Whoop, whoop, whoop. In the bowl, you go. Pew. I'm also gonna crumble in some Feta in here. The fate of the world depends on it. Let's address the dressing.
Let's address it.
I'm not gonna give you guys any measurements because I don't really use any. I just go by taste. So go by taste also. Start with some olive oil. About that much olive oil. Now some Dijon, maybe like a tablespoon or something. Ooh, yeah. A little bit of lemon juice. There you go. We're gonna zest like one small clove of garlic. Ooh, yeah. Get off my finger. There it is. I'm also gonna put in a few of these anchovies. These are completely optional, but I find they add a little bit of umami-ness to the dish. Anchovies go in. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of dried oregano in there too, a little pinch, and a very little pinch of salt. The anchovies are already super salty, so you don't want to overdo it. No overdoing it here. And now I close you up, and now you just shake it. There you go, and that's what it looks like. Let's toss this salad. Toss it all up real nice. We're gonna finish it with a little bit of lemon zest and a little bit of red chili flakes. A couple oregano leaves on top because we're pretty like that. Now let's get right up in there. Oh boy. Savory, refreshing, like I told you in the intro. I am okay with that. Whew. If you liked all my silliness, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye friends. Summer, summer, summertime.